Are you looking to buy a home and secure a low mortgage rate? Mortgage rates have been fluctuating a lot this year, but there's one strategy that you can use to help you secure a good rate. Getting quotes from multiple lenders. Hi, my name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington realtor with Fathom Realty. Whether you work with a bank, credit union, or a mortgage broker, it's important to compare offers from different sources to find the best deal for you. Mortgage brokers can be a helpful resource, but be sure to understand how they are compensated and get quotes from more than one broker to compare their recommendations and fees. If you're new to home buying process, I can be a valuable resource in finding a lender that meets your needs. After a consultation, we can discuss your financing options and connect you with loan officers or brokers who are best fit for your situation. Don't miss out on the opportunity to save money on your mortgage. Get quotes from multiple lenders and find the best rate for you. Contact me today to learn more. Until next time, peace.